Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Thunderous Thursday. Hey! I know I say that a lot. Yesterday was fun for ourselves, so no dinner was cooked. I made a big dent in the leftovers. Good stuff. Rob got home around 10. I was already asleep. Tonight, I'll be making a braised beef chuck, garlic cream cheese mashed taters, and a sheet pan asparagus. Yeah, let's get to it. Got some hardware. All right, let's go start with the beef. I got a big hunk of beef chuck, a little bit of olive oil, some beef stock, can of petite diced tomatoes, kosher salt, black pepper, yellow onion, ginger, and star anise, whole black peppercorns, cinnamon stick, and 2 bay leaves. Very interesting. Very interesting. Mashed potatoes. Of course, there's potatoes. Got some heavy whipping cream, sour cream, Philadelphia cream cheese. Only use Philadelphia. There's Parmesan. There's butter. And, of course, garlic. Should be fun. And the asparagus. Of course, there's asparagus. We got some panko, Italian herb blend, a little bit of flour for dredging, the eggs for dredging. We'll have some lemon zest and some more parm. Yes, that was 2 containers of parm. There's a lot of Parmesan this week. And we always use it. I like the pork chuck braised because it's got the star anise, the cinnamon. You know, it's got these great ingredients that we normally don't use. Which leads me to the purchasing of cinnamon. I've had this bag of cinnamon sticks maybe a year or two. Probably 2 years. Because you know where I was a year ago. And let's see. The weight. This is originally a 4-ounce bag of cinnamon. Of real cinnamon sticks. And it cost me a big whopping $1.80. It probably went up just a little bit, probably just over $2 from a couple years ago. But I got these at LA Merchandise on Palora here in Yuba City. It really pays to do some shopping not in your local supermarkets. I know it's been a while since I've harped on this. Go to your ethnic stores. Search them. Seek them out. There are great deals and better product. Yes. All right, I'll get off my soapbox. Looks like it's going to be a sunny day here in Northern California. That's your local weather forecast. Oh, yeah. Thunderous Thursday. Have a great one. Eat great food and have fun cooking. Phenomena.